Hi there, my name is Barbara Schock. Today is December 1st, 2019. This is my video for week 5, the respiratory physiology, measuring respiratory values at rest and during exercise. I'm going to start with taking breaths for 30 seconds and counting how many. I will be showing with the sign with a finger with each breath. I have not been exercising for the last hour. I have been at rest. So I will start with the counting of my breaths, and then I'll move on to the balloon measurement, or the circumference of the balloon, measuring the tidal volume measurement. So I'll go ahead and set my timer, and I'll begin. So I got 8. I have already recorded that here in trial 1 for my 8 breaths. And then I will go ahead and do my circumference of the balloon. So I'm just breathing normal. I've already stretched out my balloon. I have done this the other 3 trials. This is just for my recording. So I will go ahead and blow it up and do the measuring in centimeters. And this was just an average breath of air. I did give it a little bit more power to get through the balloon, but it was my average breath. So I have tied the balloon here, measuring in centimeters, and I know you can't see this here. I will show you once I get it around. Measuring the circumference, the lowest side, since it's pear-shaped, we want to get it more circumference on it. And I got, let's see what I got. Falling off. Just came off. So as you can see here, I got to the 42 and measured all the way around and through the, once it was flatter on the surface, I got the largest circumference of the balloon. So I did record that into my table 2. And you can see I actually struggled with the math, but I did work through it, and I can show you here how I got my answers. Let me just... turn it around at that time. So you can see my average radius, circumference, 2 pi, or divided by the 2 pi, I got the 5.97. I brought that down for my average volume, multiplied that 4 pi, which I got 12.56, multiplied by my radius to the 3rd power, which was 212.78, divided by 3, and I got the 2672.5. Then to get my tidal volume at rest, the minute ventilation, I brought this down, and the total volume at rest was 890.83 times 15.2, which was my average breath per minute over here. Divided by 1,000, excuse me, I'm sorry, I got this 13,540.6.6, and then I divided that by 1,000 to get my my tidal volume at rest was 13.54. And that concludes my my video. Thank you.